Alright, don't. Ella, Ranger Poo. Ta-dam, ta-dam, ta-dam. We're out on the green. Oh my God, there's nobody here again. Ew, but that's okay. We'll just keep it to ourselves. Hey, puppets. Hello. Oh, there's a little guy. Gary? Oof. Oh. Maybe we should just go up there, have a real big gallop, and then go hide under the trees again. Oh, sorry about that. I shouldn't show toileting needs. Oh, hello. I got a black and white one too. Come, come. Uh-oh. Oh, look at them. And Ranger the Brave. Hi. Good at you. Oh, no. Okay, Gary, I don't think he's happy about that. She is the most adorable critter. Oh, what happened suddenly?
Yeah, it's gonna rain. Come on, Lola.
Lola. Nice. Hello, LA, Lola.
Come on, Lola. Why are you so scared, Lola?
Come on. Hey, Aspen. Aspen. Guys. No, it's Gary. Gary, stop it. Stop.
They're not doing anything. It's fine.
No, but maybe there's too many of them, you know. Mackles. Poor Lola.
Oh,
She's
so
like,
scared.
yeah, I think we're too much. Maybe. Come on, wildlings.
Come on, Lola.
It's the gallop moment. Ella, come, come, come. Come on, Beckham. If it starts raining too much, we'll have to take cover. Because I didn't bring an umbrella or a raincoat. Yeah! Go, guys! Oh man, it's raining. Anyway, let's protect the phone. And God help me. Rangelita! Rangy Poo! Baby, I know, damn it. It's like, oh, shit. Excuse me. I mean, the parents, excuse me. Go, Ranger, go! Well, yeah, it really is raining. Ouch, ouch, ouch. Okay, let's go under a tree. These guys do not care. And I don't want to stop. Oh la la. All right, kiddos. I don't have time. I don't have anything. I didn't realize it was going to pour. Yuck! All right, Ranger, here. Let's protect ourselves. We're like the little girls, you know. And then, whew. This is gorgeous. My God.